Ask Tom on Home Show.
Julie from Pasadena, Texas needs some repair advice.
Yeah, this golden oldie finally said goodbye. This is Julie, and if you look at it carefully, look at the bottom of that door. This thing has seen some turkeys in its time, and it's worked. I think that's a Magic Chef. Tells you how old that is.
I think it's the one in my rental unit I'm here in Brownsville with right now.
Okay, all right.
Yes,
but Julie
still
writes,
works.
Julie writes, I don't want to replace it just yet as we're planning to remodel our kitchen for 2022. Is it worth paying a service call and possible fix, or should we just use other appliances like, say, a toaster oven or something to get by until we remodel? What's your advice for her?
Well, first off, you have all these toaster ovens. I've got a toaster oven that's also a air fryer and everything else. I love it. So if that's what you want to do, you could probably get away, if you're not doing a turkey, but you're a turkey leg, you could probably get away with just that for the rest of your life. But as far as repairing, I had the same thing with my Maytag oven. I got a double oven. It's very odd sized. And I thought, oh, goodness, I can't get one to replace it. I'm going to have to do cabinetry work. I called the repair person, say, can you come out? They put new glass in it. They put a few parts in there. And I was going to keep it a little while, and now it's 5 years later. So I'm all for having the guys come out. You pay them a trip charge to come out, and they can still get parts and keep this stuff running. So if you want the oven, I think it can be repaired. The beauty is of those older ovens like the one you're showing me and the ones not quite as old as that I have in my house and I've had repaired before. They're easy to repair. There's a lot of parts that are just replaceable that you can even get, like the burners and stuff. If it's a stovetop, right, it blows, and it comes in when the burner cable's on the inside and stuff for your oven. You can get those too. So look at repair work for a short time. It might not be as bad as you think, and you might keep it longer than you expect too.
I like the timer. I like the wind-up timer.
I do too. I grew up with that. Those things don't break.
Our very first microwave oven had one of those. It's like you used to
My first oven in Fort Worth had one of those.
That's too funny. All right. You got a question, we'd be happy to help you out just like that. Go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom button. It'll take you here to where you moment of decision for you. Do you want to send it in writing or you want to send us a video? You can do that. Fill out the form, send us pictures. Pictures always help. Like it just helped us there. We can help you the same way. We post a new one every day. You'll find them at our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, of course, HomeShowRadio.com.